Okay guys, today I have a 2020 Toyota Rav4 and I am testing out the adaptive cruise and the lane tracing assist and all that fun stuff. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn on the adaptive cruise. By doing that, you press this button right here, and on the upper right hand corner of that screen it'll turn on or off. So I just turned it on. We're going to set it by pressing set and make the speed go a little higher. Okay, so what this does is it matches the speed of other vehicles. So if you're coming up on a vehicle, you're going faster than a vehicle and you're coming up on it, which I will do, it's going to automatically slow down when you're a certain distance away. So let's watch and see. So it's already doing that. It's not letting me go any faster than this speed. Let's turn. It's already speeding up so I can pass it. And if I went back into the lane that I was in, it would slow down again to keep a safe distance. So now it's going 90 because I pressed the up button a lot, the fast button a lot. Wow. Yeah, we're going to go slow this thing down. Now it's finally slowing down. And I'm behind this vehicle right here. I don't have to do anything at all. It's going to automatically slow down. Obviously you want to keep your eye out just in case it doesn't sense it, but that's what this cruise control does. It is very helpful on long trips. You don't have to speed up and slow down all the time. It automatically does it for you, so it's just keeping that distance right now. Another thing that Toyota did is they made this lane tracing assist. So right there, and what that does is if you're driving with the adaptive cruise on, it'll steer for you. So there's some cameras on the front of the vehicle that sense where the lanes are, and if you start veering out of the lane, it will correct the steering wheel for you. Overall, I like it. If you want to change anything with the lane tracing assist, you just use this and you go to settings, hold enter on the lane tracing assist, and lane center, you can turn it on or off by pressing OK. Steering assist, same thing. The sensitivity, you can change that as well. Sway warning, you can turn that on and off, and sway sensitivity. So overall, I do like it, and it does help driving a lot. There are some things that could be changed, but I'm not going to complain about that.